well present continuous tense بحصر زبلن ጥፍፍ ዝበለን መልክዑ ክንሪኦ ኢና present continuous tense ማለት ኣብዛ ሕጂ ኮይና ንሰርሖም ዘለና ነገራት ንክንገልጽ ወይ ከኣብዛ ንዛረበላ ዘለና ጊዜ ኮይና ንሰርሖም ዘለና ወይ ከንገብሮም ዘለና ነገራት ንክንገልጽ ንጥቀመሉ በሰለስተ መንገድታት ክንሪኦም ፍትኒና በaffirmative መልክዕ በquestion መልክዕ ወይ ከ በሕቶ በኔጌቲቭ መልክዕ በሰለስተ ክንሪኦ ኢና affirmative ማለት አዎንታዊ ሐሳብ ክንሰርሕ ከለና ማለት ሕቶ ዘይኮነ ወይ ከም ዝኖት ገለ ዘይብሉ ማለት እዩ ጀነራሊ ኣብ እንግሊሽ ሓደ ሙሉ ሐሳብ ክንሰርሕ ከለና ሰለስተ ነገራት ክተርፉ የብሎምን subject verb and object ናብነት I am speaking English I subject you speaking verb you English ka object so I'm speaking English I am speaking English I'm speaking English أنا English زاربالو نبحث غير كلها am I speaking English am I speaking English أنا English دي زارب زلهم am I speaking English you are speaking English you're speaking English قال تفكر كلها you're speaking English نسخة English زاربالها ويكا نسخي English تزارب على you're speaking English وزحاتون اللي قولي مالتي نبحثه Are you speaking English? قلت تفكر مثلنا هاي You speaking English? You speaking English? English خزارب زلها ويكا English خزارب زلها She is speaking English She speaking English نسا English تزارب على Is she speaking English? نسا English دي هزارب زلها Is she speaking English? He is speaking English نسو English زارب على He's speaking English He's speaking English كنقلت فكرنا مالتي أبحثها Is he speaking English? Is he speaking English? English دي سارب زلو سلازي نبحثه خنقير كلنا أتوم auxiliary verbs بهالو ترينا نقدمي تامتينا question mark وسيخنا لزلنا مالتي auxiliary verbs بهالو بعل is am are مالتي سلازي حطنا بحثه مغيار قليلي مالتي والحجقة تسهل ساي مالت negative form of present continuous tense كنرينا حجة مالتي بقالتها ملكعو present continuous tense كم يقرنا نتكملو كنرينا مالتي so I am not speaking English I'm not speaking English I am not speaking English not أيوسينا لنا مالتي I'm not speaking English أنا English أيزاربن ألوخو I'm not speaking English I'm not speaking French sense that makes sense I'm not speaking French أنا French كنت أعرف زلهم You are not speaking English You are not speaking English You're not speaking English You're not speaking English نسخة English كنت أعرف زلها نسخة English كنت أعرف زلها She is not speaking English She is not speaking English نسخة English أتزاربنا على نسا English هيكون نزارب زلا He is not speaking English He's not speaking English نسو English هيزاربنا على نسو English هيكون نزارب زلا He's not speaking English سلازي not بموساق دراي نام negative كأيرنا يلونا مالتي but we need to be careful in its position we need to put it right after right after the auxiliary verbs and before the main verb قدمي am كنصحفو ينخلنا نابنت I not am كنبلا ينخلنا I am not you're not she's not pronouns and their respective auxiliary verbs pronouns ويكا كندسم مسوم زخدو auxiliary verbs كنرينا I am I مالت أنا مالتي I am teaching you English I'm teaching you English أنا English مراكم ألخو We are, you are, they are We مالت نحنا مالت We are learning English English نمهار علنا You are learning English You are listening to me They مالت كان نساتهم كان نساتهم مالت you مالت نسخي نسخاتكم نسخاتكنا أربعة عين سوات يقلز مالتي They قن نسانا نزيلو نوزحات مالتي نساتهم نساتهم They are not listening to us They are not listening to us. I سمعنا نالو مالتي he is, she is, it is. he ማለት ንሱ ማለት she ንሳ it ማለት ከዓ ንነገራት ማለት for example the sun is shining, it is shining, it is shining. Time adverbs that go with present continuous tense ናይ ጊዜ ኣማላኽቲ ምስ present continuous tense ዝኸዱ now ሕጂ at this time ኣብዚ ጊዜ እዚ at the moment right now currently I'm going to bed now, I'm going to bed now ሕጂ ድቅስ ኣለኹ my family are having dinner at the moment or they are having dinner at the moment. She's studying nursing at this time, she's studying nursing at this time. Okay, present simple tense ኣቐዲምና present continuous tense ክርኢ ፀኒሕና ሕጂ ምስኡ ምስ ብምንፅፃር present simple tense ክርኢና ፎርሙሉ subject plus verb 1 or verb s plus object verb 1 ኢለ ዘለኹ ንpresent verb ንምባል እዩ verb s ከዓ ነቲ present verb s ክንውስኸሉ ከለና ማለት እዩ ጥቕምታት ናይ simple present tense ብዙሓት ኣለዉ እቶም ቀንዲ ግን ሓደ habitual action ወይ ከዓ ልምዳዊ ንጥፈታት ንምግላፅ እዩ ንኣብነት I play soccer ኣነ ኩዕሾ እግሪ ፃወት እየ we watch movies ፊልም ንከታተል ኢና ንርኢ ኢና ንምባል ክንጥቀመሎም ንኽእል ኢና ካልእ general truths ንምግላፅ ሓፈሻዊ ሓቅታት ዝኾኑ for example the sun rises in the east and sets in the west ፀሓይ ብምብራቕ ትበርቕ ብምዕራብ ከዓ ትዓርብ. Let's see more examples. Affirmative. I speak English. أنا English زاربه. Do I speak English? أنا English زاربه. We speak English. You speak English. They speak English. هنا English نزاربنا. Do we speak English? Do you speak English? Do they speak English? تسخات زاربه. He speaks English. She speaks English. نسو English زاربين. سا English زاربه. Does she speak English? Does he speak English? ንሱ English ይዛረብ ዶ? ንሳ English ትዛረብ ዶ? The sun rises in the east and it sets in the west. ፀሓይ ብምብራቕ ትበርቕ ብምዕራብ ከዓ ትዓርብ. Does the sun rise in the east and set in the west? ኣብዚኣ ግን ሓንቲ ክነስተውዕለላ ዘለና ነገር ምስ he, she, it verb s ንጥቀም ኣለና ንስፒክ s ንውስኸልና ራይዝ s ንውስኸልና speaks, rises, sets ንብል ኣለና ኣብ ሕቶ ግን ወይ ከዓ ኣብ ኮስትን ኣይወሰኽናሉን speak, rise, set ኢና ዘለና ምክንያቱ ክልተ ቨርብታት ስለ ዘለውና do and speak ስለ ዘለውና ነቲ ቀዳማይ ቨርብ ኢና s ክንውስኸል ስለ ዘለና that's why ኢና does ንብል ዘለና ማለት እዩ does he, does the sun ንብል ማለት እዩ. Now we're gonna see the negative form of present simple tense. ከምቲ ካልእ ኖት ጥራይ ንውስኸሉ ማለት እዩ I do not speak Spanish. We do not speak Spanish. You do not speak Spanish. Spanish አይዛረብን እየ He does not speak Spanish. She does not speak Spanish. Spanish አይዛረብን እዩ ወይ ከዓ Spanish አይትዛረብን እየ. Auxiliary verbs that are used with simple present tense. ምስ I, we, you, they do ንጥቀም ምስ he, she, it ጋር does ንጥቀም I do, we do, you do, they do ንብል he does, she does, it does ንብል ማለት እዩ. Time adverbs that are used with simple present tense. Always ኩሉ ጊዜ sometimes ሓደ ጊዜ usually መብዛሕትኡ ጊዜ frequently ተደጋጋሚ rarely ኔርካ seldom ሳሕቲ every day መዓልታዊ every morning ንኮንኮ every night ምሸት every week ሰሙናዊ I go to school every day, we go to school every day, etc. He goes to school rarely, she goes to school rarely ናብ ቤት ትምህርቲ ነይሩ ዝኸይድ ማለት እዩ I play soccer every Sunday, we play soccer every Sunday ኩዕሾ እግሪ ሰንበት ንፃወት ማለት እዩ he plays soccer or football frequently, she plays soccer frequently ተደጋጋሚ ትፃወት ወይ ከዓ ይፃወት. So these are the time adverbs that are usually used with simple present tense and there are also many more we can read for more. Well, this is the end of this session. Thank you for watching.